welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today, and I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, if you couldn't already make out from my getup and from the title as well, today I am going to be doing an easy traditional makeup look. October is just around the corner and October से सारे festivals चालू होते हैं, जैसे दिवाली है, नवरात्रि है, फिर न्यू ईयर्स आने वाला है. तो I thought of doing an easy glam makeup look, a traditional version for you guys, just using 10 products and that too drugstore products. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you so much for showing so much of love on my previous videos, and it really means a lot that you guys are supporting me after all the gaps that I've taken on this YouTube channel. But anyways, lot of blabbering. Today I am going to be sharing a very nice easy smoky eye with obviously a little bit of glitter, because no Indian traditional look is incomplete without the glitter. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to know what look I create, please keep on watching and let's get started. So we are all ready to do our makeup. I've pinned my hair back, I've taken out my earrings, and I've already done my skincare. If you want an in-depth skincare video, do leave me in the comment section, because I've changed my skincare routine because of these acne spots that have been coming on my face. But anywho, we'll start off with the eyes very quickly. For that, I'm gonna start by prepping my eyelids using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. If you have been following me for a while, you know this is my holy grail concealer, and also the Color Bar and the Sugar one, because honestly I have not found any dupe or any substitute when it comes to such good concealers. So I'm just going to be blending this concealer out further with this brush right over here. Okay, so for the eyes today we are going to be doing this eye makeup look, which is nice and red and glittery. So for the palette that I'm going to be using today is this one. This is the only palette that I'm going to be using. This is my Daily Life Forever 52 eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade PPE 006. So this is how the colors look like. This is one of my favorite colors, and this too, and this one as well, and this one as well. So we are going to be creating this makeup look using these colors right over here. So firstly, I'm going to be starting off with this peachy shade right over here with a nice fluffy brush, and I'm just going to concentrate this shade on my crease as my transition shade, like so. Once that is done, I'm going to be picking up this red shade over here. I'm not going to take a lot, just a very little amount. Tap the excess out, and I'm just going to concentrate this color on my outer corner, just to deepen up my lids a little bit and just to give an extra depth to my eyes. And I'm just doing it very light handed, because we don't want that much of reddish color in our eyeshadow. And then I'm just going to take a nice fluffy brush like this, and I'm just going to blend it out. So that is for now. Next, I am going to be picking up this glitter shade right over here with my finger only, my ring finger, and I'm just going to concentrate this color on my middle of my eye, and I'm just going to drag it a little bit in my inner corner as well. These colors, especially in this palettes, I have noticed कि जब भी मैं अपने finger के साथ ये product लगाऊंगी, it gives more pigmentation rather than using a brush or so. But we can't really reach in my inner corners using the finger. So just for some extra precision, I'm taking a flat brush like this, and I'm just going to shape my color inside, if I make sense. थोड़ा सा color अंदर भी डालना है, because I don't want that difference. Okay, so once that is done, I'm going to be picking up these two shades right over here. I'm going to take a little bit of both, tap off the excess, and I'm just going to blend the shimmery shade and the earlier shade that we applied. So I'm placing the product with this and with a nice other fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend this color in. Okay, so that is pretty much everything that I want to include in my eyeshadow right now. After doing the base, we'll obviously put some color on the lower lash, but right now this is everything I really want in my eye look. But now quickly, I'm just gonna use my Lakme Iconic eyeliner, and I'm just gonna create a nice little wing that I normally do. So I'm not gonna show it to you guys, because I've showed it 1,000 times in my videos. So I'm quickly do my eyeliner and I'll be okay ready. So this is the eyeliner that we are going for, because jabhi bhi I personally feel that when you're doing something traditional, I really like to do a nice thick liner. So that's what I've done today. So followed by, I'm just gonna use some mascara. This is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. With the base that we are done with the eyes. So for my base, I'm just gonna start up with this moisturizer cum primer. This is the Savannah Color Serum Collagen Primer 24 karat gold. It has been sitting in my vanity for quite some time and I have not used it for a very long time, so I thought of using it today. So I'm just gonna use this product on my problematic areas where I usually have pores, because this is more like a pore filling primer. तो जहाँ भी मेरे पोर्स ज़्यादा है मैं वहाँ ये प्रोडक्ट लगाने वाली हूँ, एंड जो भी एक्स्ट्रा प्रोडक्ट रहेगा I'm just gonna drag it all across my face. On the foundation, I'm going to be using this Faces Serum Foundation. If you haven't already seen my entire video regarding this foundation, I will have it on the I button on the screen, or you can go in my description box and check that out. But I'm going to be using this foundation and I'm just going to blend it out with a nice brush. This is the PAC 004 foundation brush. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using my Dior Skin Concealer, and this is in the shade 033, and I'm just going to concentrate this concealer wherever necessary. So मैंने भी पहले भी जो फाउंडेशन लगाया था मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं लगाया. I've already concentrated on my problematic areas just for a little bit of coverage, not too much, because if you guys can see my skin has been breaking out very badly और मुझे मेरी स्किन को बर्बाद नहीं करना है बहुत सारा फाउंडेशन और बहुत सारा प्रोडक्ट लगाते. तो मेरा बेस जब भी मैं करती हूँ, शादी हो या कुछ भी फंक्शन हो या एवरी डे के टाइम भी हो, तो मैं बहुत कम बेस लगाती हूँ, जस्ट फॉर अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कवरेज एंड जस्ट टू इवन आउट माई स्किन, नथिंग टू मच. Okay, so now to set my concealer and foundation in place, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 13 Light by using a nice powder brush. So I'm just going to take this product and tap off the excess, and I'm just going to concentrate this under my eyes and around my mouth. Okay, so for my blush, bronzer and highlighter, I'm going to be using this palette from Faces. This is in the shade there's no particular shade, but this is the 3-in-1 contouring kit. So first I'm going to be picking up this contour shade with a nice angular brush, and I'm just going to concentrate and just contour my face very slightly, nothing too extreme or too intense. So now for blush, I'm going to be taking up this shade, and followed by the highlighter I'm going to be picking up this shade. I'm just going to be picking up these two shades right over here with a nice pencil brush, and I'm just going to drag this color on my outer V or outer corner, if you want to call it whatever you want to call it, and I'm just dragging this color like so, just for a nice smoked out effect. Lastly, for lips, I'm just going to be using my Lakme Absolute Precision Lip Paint in the shade 502 Black Cherry. I've also done a full review regarding this product, so that is also in the description box. So I'm just going to place this product on my lips very quickly. Okay, so the makeup is done now. No Indian makeup look is complete without a bindi, so I'm just going to add a small little bindi. I suck at putting on bindis because मैं कभी भी बिंदी लगाती हूँ मैं वाकड़ा ही लगाती हूँ, but I guess हो गया. So with that, we come to the end of this video. This is the makeup look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed looking and learned something from this video. And if you do recreate this makeup look, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram The link is in the description box below. And to be honest, I love how the makeup has turned out, and I really hope that you guys also loved how the makeup looked. So that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. If you do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell notification down below so you get notified whenever I upload. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'll click a lot of pictures and I'll shoot some reels and I'll post it on my Instagram. So if you want to see that, you need to follow me on my Instagram as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Lot of blabbering done. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next video next time. Bye everyone.